Hello children, how are you doing? Hope you are doing well. So we have completed our fourth lesson and today we are going to start our fifth lesson. The robber crow. Robber means what? Thief. A person who steals the things from others. Here our thief or robber is not a person, it's a bird, crow. You all have seen a crow, right? It's a common bird. You can see everywhere. What is the specialty of a crow? Now you are going to say crow is a black bird. It makes the sound ka ka. Not only that. Crow is a cleaner bird. The natural cleaner. It cleans our surroundings. Eat all the wastages and cleans the garbages. So it has an important place in the environment. Okay. Now our story is also about a crow. Not simply a crow, the robber crow. Let's see.
Lesson 5. The Robber Crow. Meanings of the words. Honked. A loud noise by the horn. Grabbed. Took quickly. Portion. Part. Board. Climbed. Swooped. Moved down. Snatched. Quickly took away. Finish. Complete. The school bus honked. Suchi was still at the breakfast table. The bus honked again. Suchi grabbed her school bag and ran out with a small portion of her toast in her hand. The school bus honked. Honked means sound made by the horn. Okay. Suji was still at the breakfast table. That means Suji did not complete her breakfast, right? The bus honked again. What does it mean? The driver is waiting for Suji. Suji grabbed her school bag. Grabbed means took quickly and ran out with a small portion of her toast in her hand. Portion means part or piece. So Suji ran out with what? With a small portion of her toast. You all know a bread toast. Portion, small portion means a small piece or small part. Let's see what happened. Bye Mama, she yelled. She was just about to board the bus when a crow swooped down and snatched the piece of bread from her hand. Suji was shocked. Bye Mama, she yelled. She means who? Suji. Suji yelled. Yelled means screamed or shouted. She was just about to board the bus. She was about to board the bus. Board means climb or get in. Okay. When a crow swooped down means move down fast. And snatched. Snatched means took away quickly the piece of bread from her hand. Suji was shocked. Shocked means doesn't know what to do. In that state. Suji was in that state because she did not expect the crow swooped down and took away the bread piece and she was totally shocked. Let's see what happened after that. In the evening, Suji told her mother about the robber crow. The crow is a born robber. I hate it, she said. Crows do not rob. This one thought you were giving it food. Her mother said, next time, finish your food at the table. In the evening, once she came from school, Suji told her mother about the robber crow. Robber means what? A person who steals the things, a thief. So, she told about the robber crow. The crow is a born robber. By birth itself, the crow is a robber. I hate it. Hate means don't like. She said. Who said? Suji. Crows do not rob. This one thought you were giving it food. Who said? Mama. Next time, finish your food at the table. Finish means complete. Next time, you don't carry the food in your hand. You have to finish at the table.
So, what happened to Suji? Did you all see that? What our crow did? He stolen the food from Suji, and Suji hate the crow. After that, what would happen? Let's see in the next session. So don't forget to read the textbook. Okay, if you don't have textbook, you can read with the video. How you have to read with the video? 1 or 2 times you have to watch the video, then mute the audio, then try to read yourself. Okay, bye kids, have a good day.